mein Name ist Frau Ingeborg. Und are you tired of looking in your closet and seeing nothing to wear? What about looking in your bank account and seeing nothing there either? Well, Refashionista Sherry has the solution to both of your problems. Her Refashioning 101 e-course shows you exactly from start to finish how to upcycle and refashion your wardrobe, and then in the very final lesson she is showing you how to take all of the skills you learned and start your own eco-fashion business online, selling the items that you don't want anymore and the items that you create yourself. Go to Refashioning 101, enroll in the course, and start your eco-fashion journey today.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.